Professor Anele, siyakuzwa sisi. Siyakuzwa ngayo yonke into oyishoyo. White supremacy, konke lokho okushoyo siyakuzwa. Awuke uze ne-solution sisi manje. Yabo? Ngoba akusizi uloku ucriticize wena neqembu lakho. Bonke abantu abakusekayo. Yabo? Ake nize ne-solution. Yabo? Ake nize ne-solution. Ngoba manje sibhizi siyaqwebhana sodwa manje. Yabo? Njengoba usho ukuthi i-agenda ye white supremacy ntontoni. Siyakuzwa sisi. Iza ne-solution. Abantu bethu la eSouth Africa abakwazi uku-accessa izibhedlela, abakwazi uku-accessa amaklinikhi, kugcwele ama-foreigners. Iza ne-solution, sitshele ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Yabo? Ikolo zethu zabantu abamnyama emalokishini. Wena uhlala elokishini. Yabo? Nama ngihlala elokishini. Kodwa ngiya-understand abantwana bami abakazi bafunde elokishini. Bafunde kuma-private school. Abantwana bami abakaze bahlale elokishini. Yabo? Kodwa ngiyayi-understanda impi ehlasele lapha emalokishini. Ngiyi-understanda kahle. Maybe awunazi ihlobo esihlala elokishini. Thina sivakashe emalokishini, sivakashele ihlobo zethu. Siyaya, siyadrive siye khona, siyabona. Siyabona inkinga abantu bakithi abahlangabezana nazo. The other day ngayenza i-video of my brother who was killed by foreigners. Uthini ngalezo zinto lezo? Who was killed because of foreigners, because he was patrolling. He was patrolling indawo ahlala kuyo. Yabona? Whether part of the people that killed him were not foreigners. Kodwa still, at the end of the day, kupushwa i-agenda yama-drugs. Iza ne-solution. Sitshele ukuthi wena, i-solution oza nayo yini. Stop criticizing, guys. Siyacela, stop criticizing without coming up with solutions. Siyazizwa zonke lezi zinto ozikhulumayo. Yabo? Siyazizwa. Kodwa siyacela, izani nama-solution. Akusizi. Siyazizwa isilungu esikhulu enisikhulumayo usibiza ukuthi we are uneducated. Some of us esilokhu nje esenzayo lama video is not because you are not educated. We may not have a doctorate or be a professor njengawe, but it doesn't mean ukuthi we are not learned. Yabo? Enye solution esifuna ukuthi usizele ngayo ukuthi usitshele yona. Njengoba wena you are learned. Sitshele ngala amanye ama-country ukuthi why uma siya kuwo do we have to carry passports? If i-Africa yethu sonke, sitshele. Sinikeze i-solution yalokho ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Sinikeze i-solution yama-undocumented foreigners agcwele la kule country yethu. Ukuthi how should they be accounted for? Uma becommita i-crime, uma benza zonke lezi zinto abazenzayo, uma bebulala abantwana bethu, uma labo belungu okhuluma ngabo ababulala abantwana bethu asikababoni. Mhlambe wena uyabazi, mhlambe uke wahlangana nabo bebhizi bebulala abantwana bethu. Yabo? So sinikeza i-solution yokuthi senze njani. Siyizwa kahle siyayizwa kahle lento ishoyo ye-agenda ye-white supremacy siyizwa kahle kodwa iza ne-solution sisi iza ne-solution. Angithi wena phela ufundile kunathi uhlakaniphile kunathi iza ne-solution usitshele ukuthi makwenziwe njani ngalama undocumented. Ubonile ukuthi kwenzakalani eDurban, ubonile Sherwood ukuthi kuyisinyamfunyamfu esingakanani, ubonile. Okay, asithi ke labo belungu bayabaletha labo belungu ukuthi bazobavotela. It's fine. Siphe isolution. Ayisizi lento leyo oyikhulumayo ayisisizi ngalutho ngoba thina sikhuluma ireality, sikhuluma ngezinto esizifaceayo. Awukazi ubona ama South African afika kwamanye ama country abulala abantu ngesihluku in numbers. As I'm talking about my brother, let me tell you, that very week, I think it's the past week before my brother died, about 14 people died. A week when in fact, the day when my brother died, he died with 3 more people. Sinikezeke isolution ke ukuthi makwenziwe njani, makwenzeke izinto ezinjalo, siphena ama solution. Yekani ukuloku nisitshela niscriticize. Akekho futhi umuntu kumatch and match, akekho umuntu othe abantu mababulawe, akekho umuntu othe abantu makuluthwe itoro. Yebo kukhona ama element, kanti yini le enala ukuyizwa, yini le eningafuni ukuyizwa ukuthi there are bad elements kuso sonke struggle. There has always been bad elements ezithatha iadvantage. There's always been bad elements ezithatha iadvantage of the struggle. If uyasazi struggle kahle uzokwazi ukuthi angeke kuhlale kungabi nama bad elements. Sitshele ke ukuthi makwenziwe njani, iza nama solution please. Siyacela, sicela ama solution manje. Sizwile isilungu sakho, sizwile ukuthi uyiprofessor, sizwile ukuthi udoctor. Thina we are not interested in ukuthi sikhulume awethu ama lokhunja. Yabo, we are not interested. Ngoba hleze mhlambe vele we are not as learned as you are. But I think education nayo iyakutshela ukuthi everywhere, even in Africa, everywhere. I've been to a lot of countries here in Africa. There has never been a place here in Africa la ngihambe ngayongena khona, even la ku close khona abantu bakithi eSwazini, eBotswana. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini. I had to have ilokhunja passport valid. Ngingena ngepassport, ngiphuma ngepassport. Even nemoto yami fanele ingene yaziwe ukuthi ingenile lapho and ukuthi izophuma nini, kwaziwe ukuthi iphumile or mangaba ikaphumi izophuma nini. Hayi man guys, again siyekeni ngesilungu senu, sizwile isilungu sisizwile. Sicela ama solution manje. Izani nama solution. Sitsheleni ukuthi masenze njani. Hayi sikhathele i-white supremacy ukuthi sizoloku idenguliwa la phambi kwethu njenge carrot, siloku sitshelwa ngayo, sizwile ngayo. However, okwamanje lezo izinto esizabuye sizibone. Yabo, u-2029 akakafiki. Sizobona ngo-2029 ukuthi senze njani njenge country. And now lawo ma country lawo amayopic, lawo ma country lawo azosizonda ezi South Africa because silwela ama rights wethu ekubeni bona ngokwabo bayayenza lento le futhi bona benza wese. Hayi man guys, animeni man, animeni kancane.
Ngiyakubingelela mbukeli. Hayi bayakhala bathi hayi uProf Anele, hayi bayamuzwa njengoba ekhuluma nje ukuthi hayi cha, kuthiwa kucela ukuthi yena professor akabuye eze nesolution ukuthi kwenziwe njani kule nkinga lesibhekene nayo. singabantu abahlala emalokishini ngoba phela hhayi labantu laba bangaphandle bagcwele emalokishini, bahlupheka labantu abahlala emalokishini, isesikoleni zi-overcrowded iy'ngane ngenxa yey'nkinga yey'ngane zabantu bangaphandle. Nasemaklinikhi abantu abasakwazi ukusheshe basizakale ngoba kugcwele abantu bangaphandle. Bathe uProfessor makayeke ubhizi ashona le nale nale, akabuye ne-solution asho ukuthi kwenziwe njani ngale nkinga yama-foreigners. Mbukeli, asiphinde sihlangane evidini elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle. Bye bye.